Hello everyone, this is Balu. Welcome to my channel Balu Civil Engineer. Okay, today let us discuss about the various sub branches in civil engineering. Okay, here you can see the on screen there are various sub branches: structural engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, water resource engineering, environmental engineering, and construction technology and management. I have sorted out the main branches in civil engineering. Okay, let us discuss about the first about the structural engineering. Here you can see the structure on your screen. like uh, Structural engineering is a branch in which it deals with the analysis and design of structures that support or resist loads. The main job of structural engineer is to understand the behavior of structure against loadings action, and also he has to design the structure so that it must be safe. Okay, coming to the classification of projects in structural engineering, first one is material displacement. You know about cement. Cement is not a environmental material, like it will create lot of pollution. So to replace that cement, many of the people are adding that various different materials and replacing that cement so that the cement content will be decreased in the concrete. Okay, like example, you can take nanosilica, GGBS, etc. These are the different materials. So they are replacing cement with these materials. And also, second classification is analysis of structures using StatPro, ETABS, ANSYS, etc. Like you can also work using these softwares. Like this is the broad classification I am giving. It's not a direct classification. Other than this, there is no classification. It's a wrong thing. Just this is a broad classification. Remember. Okay. Next thing you can see, like transportation engineering. In transportation engineering, we have to plan, design, operation, and maintenance of safe and efficient transportation systems. This transportation system includes railways, roadways, waterways, airways. Like coming to the projects in transportation engineering, first one is material based. Many of the people work on the replacement of bitumen with other materials and improvisation of the that bitumen content in the road. Okay, and second thing is traffic analysis. In traffic analysis, we will study about the PCU data, peak hourly volume. We will have to analyze the traffic volume. Okay, this is the second type of project. Okay, once again telling this is a broad classification. Coming to the third one, that is geotechnical engineering. In geotechnical engineering, this is a study of the behavior of soils under the influence of loading forces and soil water interaction. In geotechnical engineering, we basically study about the design of foundations, retaining walls, earth dams, etc. Like coming to the classification of projects, first one is material based. This is a common thing. Like we have to improve the soil, ground improvement techniques, we can call it as. And second one is soil in structure interaction, and also we can work on the softwares like GeoWeb, GeoStudio, etc. Okay. Next thing, that is water resource engineering. Like in water resources engineering, this is a study of behavior of water and quantitative study of hydrological cycle, the distribution and circulation of water. The main application of water resource engineering are hydroelectric power generation, water supply and irrigation system, etc. Like coming to the classification of projects, you can study on the groundwater studies and and also conversation of groundwater. You can carry out your project on that. Remote sensing, land use, land cover data, and also evapotranspiration data. You have to sort out all this data from the maps using the softwares like ADAS, QGIS, etc. These are the various classification of projects under water resource engineering. Next thing, that is environmental engineering. In environmental engineering, this is a branch which is concerned with protection of environment from pollution, reuse, recycle, air pollution control, waste disposal. These are the different things in which the environmental engineering branch will concern with. Coming to the classification of projects in environmental engineering, water treatment, wastewater treatment, disposal methods. On these things, we can work out your projects. Okay. And the last thing, that is last branch, that is construction technology and management. This branch is concerned with the plan, organize, schedule, and oversee construction projects from concept to completion. And this branch main focus on the saving of resources like time, equipment, labor, etc. Coming to the classification of projects, almost these are all related to the structures, like material optimization, replacement of cement with nanosilica. This is a material optimization projects you can workout, and also the to save this time and all those results, you can work on the softwares like Primavera and also other various softwares are there. Okay, this is the various projects or various branches in which you can work out. This is a broad classification, not detailed classification. From the next video, I will make a detailed videos from the various projects, considering the different types of projects. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and you can type the project in which you are working so that I can search for the journal papers, and also I will sort out the data from the journal papers for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.